The owners of this home just spent $200,000 on what I call a refresh, and it shows just like a model. If you're looking for some storage, this house has got it. Check out this pantry. But this is my favorite spot in the house. Just getting a little southern exposure and sun and relaxing. Tell you what, better start going shopping if you're going to fill this closet. With a laundry room this big, I might even start doing my laundry. Hey, we're at Cape Royal, and this golf course was voted the best golf course in Cape Coral. And you're about to take a tour of Lady Anne Circle, and this house is a hole-in-one.